Hey guys, welcome to Sarah's Jewelry Studio. So tonight we're going to be doing the unboxing for the July 2020 Dollar Bead Box. So if you notice, this is the same intro that was in the June 2020 box, which obviously says I'm behind. So this unboxing will not have any finished jewelry videos, any finished jewelry at the end of the video because I've shown everything that I've made in the last video. So everything that is made out of this box you'll see on the next month's, the August box, which should be here probably in another week or two, or soon. I'm not even sure when, but I have a lot of work to do. So stay tuned. Alright, so here we go. This is the July 2020 Dollar Bead Box. So I haven't even opened it yet. So I have my scissors here. I'm going to go ahead and cut this open. I haven't even seen this yet myself, and I have been like really wanting to know what I got in here. So normally I just open them all right away, but I really wanted to give myself some motivation to get things done. So I waited. Alright. So it says, here in the Midwest, the weather's been beautiful, so go outside and, you know, wear some of the many pieces of jewelry created that, you know, we've been working on. So, talks about all about the 4th of July here. So, this is what we're getting here. Let's check it out. Let's see what we got. Wow, look at that explosion of color we got. There's a lot of colors going on here. Alright, I'm going to scooch this off to the side and we're going to go through these. Okay, so let's look at these strands here. So first we have some glass lentil beads in jet travertine or alabaster travertine. So jet is black, so these are definitely going to be the alabaster travertine. So you can see there, they have a lot of variation to them. That's really pretty. So those are fun, different shape. So they are top drilled. Those are cute. Alright, so then next we have some 8mm, oh, and those are 10mm. This is 8mm check glass Drux. These are an amethyst, and there's 25 pieces, and there's 25 pieces of those as well. So, very nice amethyst. And Drux just means that it's a check glass round. So, in case you're new and you don't know what that is, I know I kept hearing that word going around, and I was like, I don't know what that means. So, I try to keep that in mind, that not everybody knows what everything is, because I know that's where I was at one point. Alright, so I'm going to assume this is the dark aqua. Yep, so this is going to be the check glass twisted rondelle. So these are definitely rondelles. They're not faceted. Oh, I do see the twist now. You can twist it. You can see the twist in it when you twist it like that. So that's fun. Never seen any shape like that before. That is new to me. Alright, and then up next it says dark aqua. Oh, that was the dark aqua. Just kidding. Next is avocado green Lucerna bicone. And these are 6x6mm, 25 pieces. So, nice color of green here. These are fun bicones. They're actually, it's like two pyramids stacked on top of each other, if that makes sense. Bottom to bottom. I guess that would be the best way to describe them. But they definitely have 4 points going around the outside. So, I wouldn't call that a bicone. It would be more like a bipyramid. Alright, so then next we have Crystal Aqua Gold Check Glass Ribbed Round. So those are fun, kind of like a melon bead, but more round. I don't know, that's the best way I can describe it. So those are fun. They like have like a gold leaf strip in the middle of the bead is what it looks like. I like those. These are some different beads. Alright, so then we have some more check glass drucks. These are 6mm. This is in the color olive. And there's 35 pieces. Nice green clear bead. And then last of the strands here is a 14 to 15 inch strand of dyed jade in 3mm. These are a little bit tied up. There we go. These are tiny little beads, but they're really cute. I like this color a lot. Called it dyed jade. Oops, they're slippery little fellas. Alright, so that's it for the strands. So let's see what we can find here. Next up we have a mother of pearl trefoil pendant. So we're going to go with that's this. Without even looking at everything else, we're just going to assume that this is it. We're going to assume this is it. 14mm. Seems kind of small for 14mm. But I don't think this is a tube, so let me keep looking at the other bags here, just to make sure. Oh, there's the tube. Alright, so we're going to go with it. Alright, so it says this is a mother of pearl trefoil pendant. It's 14mm and there's one piece. So it almost really looks like wood to me. I'm going to move this light in a little closer. Really looks like wood as opposed to mother of pearl. Well, believe them if that's what they say it is. But it really does look like wood to me. Feels like wood. So you can see it has a hole here on the top so you can hang it. It did say it's a pendant. Alright, so up next we have a dyed bamboo coral abstract tube. And this is 16 to 24mm. We get one piece of this one. So you can see it really is just a nice long tube. Definitely has some imperfections in there. It is coral after all. Or bamboo coral, actually. There's that one. Next up is a check glass button. There's two of them, so I'm going to guess that's these. These look buttony to me. Yep, they are buttons. So it says that they are in crystal golden shadow. You get two pieces and they're 11mm. So that's fun. Alright, and then up next is a round shell pearl in Tahitian blue. There we go, there's this one. It's 12mm, you only get one. It's a really nice color, it's fun. I like that color. Oops. Very shiny. Holes look good. This one has a little bit of a ridge. I'll have to sand that down. I can see it. You see it poking up. Okay, and then next we have 12 pieces. Here we go. 12 pieces of checked glass ribbed rondelles in amethyst, and these are 3 by 6mm. It says we get 12 pieces of these. It does indeed look like we have 12. So there's those. Whoops. You can see the shape on them, see what they mean by calling them ribbed. And then we have, okay, see, I was right. This is actually bone, so I was close. So this would be the Chinese carved bone pendant. That makes a whole lot more sense. It doesn't give a size on this, so I was looking for a larger size number on the list, but there's not. So at least it's not saying that it's mother of pearl, because I was like, there's no way. That's got to be like wood or something, but bone, I'll take that. So this little guy here, 14 millimeter mother of pearl trefoil pendant, which I didn't even think about the pendant part when I saw this one, so that it has that little hole on the top there. So you can definitely tell. Now that is mother of pearl. That I will accept as pearl. So actually it looks like it's two different colors. On this side it's more of like a yellow color, and then on this side it's more of a white color. And this does turn, so that's good. So you can have it the hole facing either way, depending on how you want to hang it. So that's fun. Alright, so then this was the Chinese carved bone pendant. So next we have German, I guess that's this, vintage crystal German pendant with an anchor, 18 by 26 millimeter. Get one of them. Oh yeah, now I see the anchor. I see the anchor in there now. And it's just smooth on the back. So it's carved on the one side, and then the other side is just smooth rounded. This side is more concave with the carving, and it's got this grooves around the outside edges there. Okay. Alright, so then we have 5 millimeter check glass melon beads in jet, and we get 10 pieces of these. It's basically like the same thing as what they were calling the ribbed rondelles, except since these are more rounds, they're calling these the melon balls, or melon beads. Okay, and then we have some Keshi pearls in burgundy. We get 2 of those. I'm not sure what a Keshi bead is. A Keshi pearl. I've never heard of that term before. They're definitely very irregular shaped. More like a stone chip, but it's pearl. Very shiny. Okay. Down to the last 2. So next we have, these are called Lucerna bicones also. So the same as what I was calling these bipyramids. So these are in white opal travertine, and there's 10 pieces of these, and they're 6 millimeter. You can see they have a lot of color variation. Got some cream, some brown, some green. So those are fun. I'm going to get nearly as many of those as we got of the other ones. And then last, we have 2 dyed bamboo coral chips, and these are between 10 and 14 millimeters, it says. And they're just a couple of chips. There's those. Alright, so that was everything here. This was the July 2020 bead box from dollarbeadbox.com. I hope you guys enjoyed everything here. And on the next month's video, I will definitely have some more finished jewelry. If you're looking for some finished jewelry from the previous dollarbeadbox.com, actually from the May Dollar Bead Box, because I just unboxed the June one also. I showed that in the June unboxing video. So go ahead and check that out if you missed it, and otherwise I will see you on the next video.